Seated.
Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Let us first of all thank the Lord for gathering us once again on this beautiful Monday afternoon as we celebrate the 18th week in Ordinary Time, Monday. And if you will notice, the recurring Gospels for the past few weeks talks about the multiplication of bread, the miracle of the multiplication of loaves. While once again reflecting on this, I remember a story that is told na merong isang eroplano na maraming sakay na pasahero and they experiencing some turbulence. No, napakalakas po ng turbulence. At ang mga pasahero ay got agitated because of what is happening. And the flight steward approached the passenger. Nakilala niya kasi naka-clerical collar yung pare. And the flight steward approached the priest and said, "Sir, do you suppose you would do something religious for us all?" The priest quickly stood up and passed around a collection box. Kudos to him for recognizing an opportunity when he saw one. My dear brothers and sisters, in today's gospel, the Lord saw an opportunity and took it. It is an opportunity to express His love and mercy to the people. It was evening, and they were in a deserted place. Matthew says, instead of telling the people to leave and buy food as suggested by the disciples, the Lord multiplied 5 loaves of bread and 2 fish to feed the multitude. Some people talk of spontaneous, random acts of kindness. Spontaneous or otherwise, such acts, however, are to be performed deliberately, that is, with a sense of purpose and mission. Why exactly do we have to help those in need? Why do we get from reaching out to the hungry and the poor? What did Jesus get after feeding the people? Short term, He became popular. Long term, He was rejected, suffered, and was crucified. Are we ready for this? My dear brothers and sisters, to give with a sense of purpose and mission, one must be ready to sacrifice and face the consequences of a kind act. When we are unable to meet all the material needs of the poor and uplift them, especially their living standards, and the poor would in turn tell us to go away on that account, what could we do? The Lord's multiplication of the bread is more than just that. It is also about a multiplication of kindness and of faith. We receive our faith from others who multiplied it for us. We experience God's love through those who multiply it for us. My dear brothers and sisters, ours is to seize the opportunity of multiplying it for others, despite the cost and the pain.